though.
What are you doing now? What are you doing? What are you doing to the neck of the chicken? What are you doing to the neck of the chicken? Show me again.
Turkey. I mean this?
Turkey. Yes, that.
I was examining the spine and I was feeling it and I was feeling the skin. I was like, okay, that's okay. It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was like, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay. I think we have a penis.
We have to eat that.
That's a neck, honey. That's where the head goes.
Wait. That's the neck? That's not the penis.
Neck.
That's the head.
Penis, that's the neck.
Right.
That is
No, that's not where that goes.
You know what? Let's just stop.
No, you're not done yet.
That's a dirty bird.
All right. Now